Did you know that you can collect bigger deposits through non-profit organizations for housing? Programs are available to landlords that are in need for a more stable and increased rental income. Non-profit organizations houses grants that are available to adults with mild disabilities. This can include homelessness, seniors, veterans, and others. In turn, the non-profit looks for landlords and managers like yourself to provide housing for them, giving you the opportunity to receive rental payments straight from the non-profit. For example, let's say you have a 3-bed, 2-bath for rent. Using simple numbers, the market rent of this single family is $700 per month. Instead of renting to one tenant at $700, you can rent to 3 tenants at $700 per tenant times 3 equals $2,100 per month. The best part is that you can receive $1,400 deposit per tenant times 3 tenants equals $4,200 plus $2,100 equals $6,300 upfront monies. For more information about this amazing strategy, watch the preview on how you as a landlord can end the frustration of problem tenants and start receiving bigger deposits and on-time rents. Thanks for watching.